Hello and welcome to this course. On this first video we will be defining what we are going to create and how. So let's begin. I had the idea of creating a vampire, something inspired by Count Dracula maybe, and I want it to be funny and cartoony. Something that's simple to do for a beginner's course. Also, I want this illustration to be fun to watch, with bright colors, something that you would want on a t-shirt or on a sticker on your computer. So we have all these items so far. Let's review them one by one. So we want a vampire. That's quite simple. It's just the theme of the illustration. It could be anything really. So we want it to be funny and cartoony. In order to do that, we are going to define the proportions for this character. I think I want it to be 2 heads high. So I will have a very big head and a tiny body. All of these characters are only 2 heads tall, and it definitely marks a style. Also, we don't want him to be too realistic by any means. We're striving for something cartoony, so we'll forget about realistic human anatomy for this illustration. We'll create his limbs as rubber tubes, just like old-time cartoon characters. So that's another thing that we'll have in mind. As for the composition, we want it to be simple too. So we'll go with something that's completely symmetrical. It's the simplest option, but it looks good, and for the sake of this course, we don't want to complicate things too much. As for the colors, we want something that's lively and fun to watch, so we'll make sure to limit our color palette to saturated colors. We'll try to use complementary colors when possible, and keep a limited palette to only a few colors. Now, with all that in mind, we're ready to start sketching. See you on the next video.